I'm Bebe, and I'm just making a Valentine. Would you like to help me make a Valentine? Cool. Let's choose a color. Blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Red. With the red, I think I'll choose orange. I think the red and orange complement each other well. Red and orange are considered warm colors on the color wheel. That's why they may complement each other. Like this one here, the blue and green are considered cool colors. So now that I have my orange and my red, I think I'll add some hearts, like our example. I love the sparkles on these ones. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hearts. Which one is the smallest? Good job. Let's add a name to our Valentine. B-E-B-E-S-B-I-G. Valentine. I had so much fun making Valentines with you. Balloons. Oh, I love balloons. They're one of my favorite parts about Valentine's Day. Cupid! I think Cupid wants to show us more about what Valentine's Day really is. Valentine's Day is a special day where we show love to the people we care about, like friends and family. We give hugs, cards, flowers, and little gifts to make them smile. It's all about being kind and sharing love with the people we like. I had so much fun learning and creating with you today. I'll see you next time with Bebe in the Big Book. Bye!